Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. I'm your host for today, Annie Grace from ECE Department at Shadan College of Engineering and Technology. It is an immense pleasure to introduce today's guest speaker, Dr. G. Ravikumar, Sir, Professor in ECE Department, who has been awarded with Doctorate in Embedded Systems from Satyabama University, Chennai. He has been nurturing and guiding children's students from the past 14 years. It's an honor to have Dr. Ravikumar, sir, here today with us for the session on Business Model Canvas.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. G. Ravikumar. So today I am going to organize session on seminar on business model canvas BMC. So I would do thank our chairperson and chairman Muhammad Shah Rasul Khan sir and our principal Dr. Muhammad Atikur Rahman sir principal and IQC organized committee, IIC organized committee and members. Thank you. Thank you to all. Now I am going to explain the business model canvas and introduction. Business model canvas and introduction. In the introduction, we have totally parts. First is who's help you, that is the key partners, what you do, key activities, and who are you, who you are and what you have. Another one is how you help, how you interest, how you help, that is customers, and how it know you and how you deliver, that is channel, and what you given, that is the depend, that is the costs, and what you get. So renew and benefits. So in this one, key partners who help you, that is your keywords. Then key activities is what you do, and key resources who are you, who you are, and what you have. This what you given. Next, value period, how you help. Customer relationships, how you interact, and challenge, how they know you and how you deliver. Customers, who you help. Cost, so here, and what you get, revenue and benefits are what you, how much you get. That is a business model canvas. So 9 elements in business model canvas. First one is customer segment or group of people and or organization, a company or organization aim to reach and create value for with a dedicated value proposition. Second, value propositions are based on bundle of product and service that create value for a customer segment. Third one, channels. Describe how a value propositions is communicated and delivered to the customer segment through communication, distribution, and sales and channels. Fourth one is customer relationships. Outline what type of relations is established and maintained with the each customer segment, and they explain how customers are acquired and retained. Fifth one is revenue streams. The result from the value propositions successfully offered a customer segment. It is how an organization captures value with the price that customers are willing to pay. Sixth one is key resources, or the most important assets required to offer and deliver the previously described elements. Seventh one is key activities, or most important activity an organization need to perform well. 8 is key partnerships. Show the network of suppliers and partners that bring in external resources and activities. Ninth one is cost structures. So describes all costs incurred to operate the business model profit and calculated by the subtracting the total of the all cost in cost structures from the total of the all revenue streams. So these 9 elements in model business model canvas. So more details here, infrastructures required, a partner network, as well as value configurations and customer relationships, distribution channels, and target to customers. Then what is the cost, how to reduce this cost, and then generate the revenue streams. So how the 9 elements related? So like this here, first first offers. So these offers will be partner network and goes to key resources, key activities, and depends upon the cost. And for clients, client relationships and client segments and distribution channels and revenue flows. Next, key okay key lemon day stand, refreshing the lemon day. So this is municipality, key partners is municipalities, and key activities making lemon day and marketing selling. And here key resources are integrants, salespeople, booth and equipments. And value of propositions is cold, tasty, natural lemonade on the go. And relationship, here relationship is personal relationships, and customer segments are park visitors, and channels are both sale and here cost of structures. Integrated salaries are commissions, equipments, and flyers. And revenue streams are lemon day sales and tips. Next, Apple Music business model, that is iPod. Here, key points are record company commands and marketing, and here hardware design and omens, people, Apple brands, content, operant, iPod hardware, and value propositions are here seamless music experience, and here love making, and your customer relations is mass marketing, and here channel is retail stores and Apple.com, and here values are cost segment is people and manual focusing and marketing sales, and here revenues. So here tune stores and large hardware revenues, some music revenues. So comes to partners here, carriers, sorry. So sorry. So next one is BMC for evidence-based M-Health. So a global mobile app health platform which is offer an app certification program and connect the healthcare payers to app developers and teach companies. The end goal is evidence to based on co-creations and applications of the mobile health solution to improve the population health. Value of proposition EMH, evidence-based mobile health, is global mobile health platform and app store which aims to fill the gap that currently exists for the certified health apps. The descriptions of the solution components, a set of processor or stands on how health app should be evaluated, quality, content, effectiveness, and safety of the app for its intended use in specific populations. Second one, a way of certifying and correcting apps so that healthcare payers and providers who wish to utilize the mobile health apps for their populations are able to ascertain quickly the app which are the mostly like to be a value. And third one is an efficient marketplace where app will be proven effectiveness and in high demand command higher prices, use the free market to drive quality and innovations. And fourth one is connecting or forming a community of developers, sellers, that is sellers, the community of forming developers means sellers and stakeholders involved in the reimbursement of the healthcare purchases, the provider of healthcare, hospital, doctors, and end users. So here, key partners. Here, key partners, who are our key partner, who are our key supplier, which key resources are we acquiring from our partners, which key activity do partner performs. That is comes under the key partner. Then key activities. Then key activities here, what key activity do our value propositions require? Our distribution channels, customer relationship and revenue streams. This comes under the key activities. And next, key resources. Here, key resources, what key resources do our value proposition require? Out distribution channels and customer relationships and revenue streams. This comes under the key resources and value propositions. So what value do deliver to the customer? Which one of our customers' problem are we help to solve? And what bundle of product and service are we offering to each segment? Which customer need are we satisfying? What is the minimum valuable product? Valuable product. So this is comes under value propositions. Next, customer relationships. How do we get, keep and grow the customers? Which customer relationships have established? How they are integrated with the rest of our business model, and how costly are they? This comes under the customer relationships. So channels, through which channel do our customer segment want to be reached? How do other companies reach them now? Which one work best? Which one are most cost efficient? How are we integrated them with customer routines? So this all comes under the channels. Next comes to customer segments. For whom are the creating value? Whom are our most important customers? What are the customer archetypes? Next, cost structures. So what are the most important cost inherent to our business model? Which key resources are most expensive and which key activities are most expensive? This is comes under the cost structures. So revenue streams generate the money, or this is revenue streams. For what value are our customers really willing to pay? For what do they currently pay? And what is the revenue model? What are the pricing tactics? So this all are comes under the revenue streams. Next, business model canvas and learn startup. So inverse readiness levels, identify and validate metric that matter, validity value deliver left side of the canvas, prototype high fidelity minimum viable product, and validate a revenue model. Sorry. Validate revenue model, right side of the canvas, and validate product or marketing fit, and prototype low fidelity minimum available product, and problem or solve the validation, and marketing size and competitive analysis, complete first pass business model canvas. So these all are levels. Investment readiness levels are this type. So IR level 1 to level 9 we are using in business model canvas. So another view of business models. We believe a business model can be best described through 9 basic building blocks that show the logic of how company intend make a money. The 9 covers 4 main area of business. First one is customers. Second one is offers. Third one is infrastructures. And fourth one is financial viability. The business model is like a blueprint for the strategy to implement it through the organizational structures and processes of the system. So here, 9 building blocks. Thus, business model describes a company's customer segment and organize serves one or several customer a segment. Second one is value propositions. So it is seeks to solve the customer problem and satisfy the customer need with value propositions. And third one is channels. Value propositions are delivered customer through communications, distributions, and sales channels. Fourth one is customer relationships. Relations are established and maintained with each customer segment. And revenue streams. Revenue streams results from the value propositions successfully offered to customers. Sixth one is key resources. Key resources are the assets required to offer the deliver the previous description elements. Key activities. By performing a number of key activities, the key partnerships, some activities are outsourced and some resources are acquired outside of the enterprise. Next one is cost structure. The business model element result in cost structures. So another view of the 9 building blocks. According to Alexander Osterwald and Universe and business model contains 9 related buildings blocks that distinguish a business in the marketplace. A business model is conceptual tool that contains a big set of elements and then relationships and allow the expressing the business logic of the specific firm. It is the description of the value of company offer one to several segment customer and of the architecture of the firm and it network of the partners of the creating, marketing and delivering this value and relationship capitals to generate profitable and sustainable revenue streams. So infrastructure here. So infrastructures in core capabilities, the capability and competence necessary to execute a company business model. Second one is partner network. The business alliance with complement other aspects of the business model. Third one is value configurations. The rationale which make a business mutually beneficial for a business and its customer offering value propositions, the product and service business offers. So customers, target customer, always target is customer only. So here target customer, target the audience for the business product and services. Sixth one is distribution channels. That means by the which company deliver the product and service to customers. This includes the company's marketing and distribution strategy. Next one is seventh one is customer relationships. This link company established between the itself and different customer segment. The process of managing customer relationships is referred to as a customer relation manager. And finances, cost of structures. So the uh, monetary consequence of the means employed in the business model, a company a overhead. Next is ninth, revenues. The way of company make money through a variety of revenue flows, a company's income. So customer segments. The customer segment building blocks defines the different group of people organized an enterprise aims to reach and serve. An organized must make conscientious decision about which segment to be served and which segment to be ignored. Once this decision is made, the business model can be carefully designed around the strong understanding of specific customer needs. Customer group represents separate segment if one is their needs required and justify a distinct offer. Second one, they are reached through different distribution channels. Third one, they are required different type of relationships. Fourth one, they have substantially different profitability. Fifth one is they are willing to pay for different aspects of the offer. There are different type of customer segments. Here are some examples: mass marketing, niche marketing, and segment marketing, diverse field marketing, and multi-site platforms, or it is called multi-sided markets. So first one is mass market. Business model focused on mass market don't discuss between the uh, different customer segments. Niche market. The business model target niche market cater to specialized customer segment. Segment market. Some business model distinguish between market segment with slightly different needs and problems, and diversified market. An organization with a diversified customer business model serves two unrelated customer segments with very different needs and problems. Multi-sided platform or multi-sided market. Some organizations serves two or more interdependent customer segments. So next one is value propositions. So in this value propositions, building blocks describe the bundle of product and service that create value for a specific customer segment. The value proposition is session why customer turn on the company over another. It solves the customer problem or satisfy a customer need, and each value proposition consists of selected bundle of product and or service that can cater to the requirement of the specific customer segment. What value do we deliver to customer? First. Second one is which one of our customers problem are we helping to solve? Third one, which customer need we satisfying? What bundle products and servicing we are offering to each customer segment? So next, a value proposition create value for a customer segment through a distinct mix of elements catering to that segment's needs. Value may be quantitative, price, speed of services, or qualitative, design, customer experiences. Element from the following non-exhaustive list can be contribute to the customer value creations. One is newness, second one is performance, third one is customization, fourth one is getting the job done, and fifth one is design. Sixth one is price, seventh one is cost reduction, eighth one is risk reduction, ninth one is accessibility, 10th one is convenience or usability. This comes under the value proposition. Next, channels. Channels building blocks describe how company communicate with reach and its customer segment, deliver a value proposition. So communication, distribution, and sales channel comprise a company uh, interface with customers. Channels are customer touch point that play an important role in the customer experiences. Channel is serve and several functions, including one is raising awareness among the customer about a company's product and services. Second, helping customers evaluate a company value propositions. Third one, allowing customer to purchase specific product and services. Fourth one is delivering a value proposition up to customer. Fifth one is providing post purchase customer support. And through the which channel do our customer segment want to be reached, how we reach them now, how we are channel integrated, which one work best, which one are most efficient, how we are integrated them with customer routine. Channel have 5 distinct phases, each can be cover some all of these phases. We can distinguish between the direct channel and indirect one, as well as between own channel and partner channels. So channel phases are: one is awareness, second one is evaluation, third one is purchases, and fourth one is delivery, and fifth one is after sales.